Come to the front of your mat. Bring your feet hip distance apart. Bend your knees, bend at the waist. Place your hands on the blocks. The blocks can be on high, medium, or low. Once you feel stabilized on the blocks, walk your feet back so you can get a nice long extension from the wrists to the elbows to the armpits, all the way up to the hip creases along your entire spine. Bring your ears in line with the biceps. Energize the arms, lift the belly away from the thighs, and keep a very slight bend in the knees. Press down into the four corners of both feet and breathe. And on your exhale, gently walk the feet forward, hands on the hips, inhaling up with a flat back. Extend the arms down. Inhale here, arms up over the head. Exhale, hands to heart center. Namaste.